Hey guys, my name is Kuhu and I am an artist based in New Delhi, India. Welcome to my first Skillshare class. I hope you will learn something useful from this. In this class, we will paint this simple landscape using acrylic colors. We are first going to prepare our canvas by applying an acrylic colored ground. Then we will sketch or map out our objects in the painting. We will work in multiple layers. First, we will apply a thin coat of respective colors in respective parts. Then we will build up the depth by adding details gradually with each layer. For this painting, I am using a reference image from a royalty-free website that is free for commercial use. I will link it in the description of this class so that you can print it out if you wish. By the end of this class, you will have a simple yet beautiful finished piece of art. Head over to the next video to see all the materials that will be required to paint this landscape.